Here's the question we have. Root 10 plus root 50 all divided by root 50 minus root 10. Solution. Let's rewrite down our equation. Root 10 plus root 50 all divided by root 50 minus root 10. That is what we have. So we can see from here, root 10 is the same thing as 5 times 2, and root 50 is the same thing as 25 times 2. So we can rewrite this as 5 times 2 plus root 25 times 2 all divided by root. Same here, 50 is the same thing, 25 times 2 minus root 5 times 2. So you can see that we have not changed anything. Hence, from this, we recall in our surd that the root of 8 times 3 is the same thing as root 8 times root 3. Hence, we apply this here. So we have root 5 times root 2 plus root 25 times root 2 all divided by root 25 times root 2 minus root 5 times root 2. So this is what you have. We can actually simplify this root 25 because root 25 is 5. Same here, root 25 is 5. So writing this is root 5 times root 2 plus 5 root 2. So 5 root 2 all over root 25 is what? Going to be 5. So times root 2 minus root 5 times root 2. So this is what you have, because root 5 means here, we just simplify root of 25, which is 5, and same here, root of 25 is 5, 10 times root 2. But you can notice that there's something common in the numerator, which is root 2. Hence, we can factor out root 2. So you can see that we factor root 2 from here, which is, if we factor root 2, we are left with root 5, plus factor out root 2 here, we are left with 5. Because we multiply root 2 times root 5, we will have this, plus root 2 times 5 will get back to plus 5 root 2. All over, same here, root 2 is common, factor root 2, so we are left with only 5 here, minus, if we factor root 2 from here, we are left with only root of 5. So this is what we have. So if this is what we have here, then we can actually see that root 2 can divide root 2, hence we are left with root of 5 plus root 5 over 5 minus root 5. So this is what we're left with. Hence, but if this is what we're left with, we have not finished our solution, because you actually have to simplify it further by finding the conjugate of this surd, that is by multiplying it by the conjugate. So root of 5 plus 5 over 5 minus root 5 times the conjugate of this surd, which is 5 plus root 5 over 5 plus root 5. So continuing our solution by finding, so we're going to simplify the numerator and the denominator now. So we're going to multiply this by this and this by this. So you know how we take multiplication of two brackets. So this will multiply this will multiply this, then this will multiply this will multiply this, same the denominator. So root 5 times 5 is 5 root 5. So we multiply root 5 times 5 is 5 root 5. Root 5 times root 5. So we multiply root 5 times 5, which is 5 root 5, plus root 5 times root 5, which is going to be what? 5, right? So now we are done with this, multiplying all through this bracket. So 5 times 5 is what? 25, plus 5 times root 5 is going to give us what? 5 root 5, all divided by, so 5 times 5 is what? 5 square, which is 25. We can just put it as 5 square. This times this is going to be plus 5 root 5. This times this is going to be minus 5 root 5. So root 5 minus root 5 times root 5 is going to be minus 5. So don't be confused. What we did in the numerator is root 5 times 5 is 5 root 5. Root 5 times root 5 is 5. 5 times 5 25 plus 5 times root 5 is 5 root 5 all over 5 times 5 is 25 or 5 square, then minus 5 times 5 is minus 5 root 5, minus root 5 times root 5 is minus 5. Hence, let's simplify this. So we have, we can see 5 can actually add up to 25, which is 30 plus root 5 plus 5 root 5 plus 5 root 5. That's going to give us what? 10 root 5 over, so 25. So 5 root 5 minus 5 root 5, we know it to be 0, so we don't need to write that. Then minus 5. So this is what we have. For simplifying that, so we have 30 plus 10 root 5 over 25 minus 5 is what? We have 20. Okay, so this is what you have, 20. But you can notice something. We can still factor out something here. We can actually factor out 10. To factor out 10 from this, we're going to have what? 3 left plus root 5. Same here. We can factor out 10 here. We're going to be left with 2 in the bracket, because if we actually multiply 10 times 3 will be 30. 10 times root 5 will be 10 root 5. Same here. Factor out 10 down. We're going to be left with 2 in the bracket. Plus multiply it, we're going to have 20 back. Hence, 10 can divide 10. So we are left with 3 plus root 5 over 2. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching.